Josephine here, and Lenny's joining me today. I'm going to be doing a just simple get ready with me. I'm going to be filming some videos today, so I wanted to do my makeup and thought I may as well film it. Just got out of the shower and it's a bit hot today, so my skin's a little red and yeah, a little blotchy right now. I have no idea what I want to do. Well, I think I want to do like a brown kind of eyeshadow color with like a nice like nude lip, I'm thinking. So wish me luck. I'm not the best at eyeshadow. Well, not that I'm not the best, I just don't do it. I rarely do eyeshadow, so I have probably the least experience with it. Let's get started. We're starting off with my Clean and Clear Essential Moisturizer. It's oil free. Did I just get some of myself? No. It's oil free, so that's a plus, and it just, I don't know, I really like using this as a primer. I've tried lots of different primers and I have yet to find a primer that works for me. I think I've said this before in many videos, but primer just doesn't work for me. So I'm not sure which videos I'm going to film today. It's pretty late in the afternoon, it's 2 o'clock and I'm just starting to film now, but I don't know, I kept going back and forth if I should do it, just because it takes a lot of effort. Sometimes I get like shy to do it. Well, not shy, but I'm like, oh, should I do it? And my biggest influence right now for filming videos is my fiance, Scott. Some of you might know he does videos himself. Yeah, he just inspires me to keep going because I've had my YouTube a lot longer than him. I'm actually the reason he started his YouTube channel, because I showed him how to do it and what it really was to do YouTube. He got into it and started doing it. Now he's got more views than me, he's got more subscribers than me. Even though he's like not huge, he's really successful at it for just doing it for a year, and I'm really proud of him. Like when he filmed his 2018 like memory video, kind of like a YouTube rewind for his channel, it made me cry when he was showing it to me. He showed it to me before I uploaded it, and yeah, I started crying because he's so good at it, loves doing it, and it just makes me teary. I'm really proud of him. Using my favorite foundation right now, which is the Rimmel Lasting Finish 25-hour breathable foundation with medium coverage. I always get compliments on my foundation when I wear this. I'm using the color 303 True Nude, which is the tannest one I use. Even though I'm not that tan, I just want to put a bit of color in my face because on camera, and again I'm doing this for filming videos today, on camera my makeup can go very pale. Last night I filmed a video with Scott. I looked super pale on camera, and I'm going to be using my beauty blender to blend it in. So yeah, I'm not sure what videos I'm going to film. I don't think there's an really, I've said this in my other videos, but I do have eyelash extensions if you are wondering. So for concealer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. That's what it looks like. I usually use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, which you've seen in my other video. I decided to try this because I know a lot of people use it and a lot of people like it, and I really like it. I don't know if I prefer one over the other. This one might be a little lighter, so I might try like one shade darker because this is very light when I'm tan, but like the formula is great. So just maybe a better, I think like I definitely will be buying the Age Rewind concealer again for sure because I really like it, but I'm also gonna still keep buying the Maybelline Fit Me concealer too because I like that too. I would try both, see what you like better. Just to set my concealer, I'm going to be using one of my Australiese Fresh and Flawless powder in the color Nude. The color lighter than that is Light Beige, which I also have, which I'll use that for my under eyes when I'm not as tan. I'm just using this like small kind of blending kabuki brush. I'm not sure the real name for it. I'll set my whole face. I'm going to be using the darkest, the same one but in the color Darkest Brown. What am I gonna do next? I think I'm gonna do my brows. So I like to start off with my little spoolie eyebrow brush. This is from Mecca. It's got like a little eyebrow thing on the end, and I just brush out my brows. I do get foundation on my brows, like not on purpose, but I also don't try to necessarily avoid them when I'm like using my beauty blender or my kabuki brush, because my biggest pet peeve is when I'm watching girls do their makeup and they do try and avoid their brows, or they do their brows first, so they're trying to avoid them, and there's that little, I don't know, you can just kind of see the line from your foundation and your skin, and I just don't like that. So I do sometimes get foundation on my lips and my brows, but I just wipe it off. It's not a big deal. Just brush it out. It normally just comes right out. Sometimes I'll just use my finger. So brows, I'm going to be using my favorite brow kit, which I think you've seen in most of my makeup videos, or if not all of them. Oh Hey Brow shaping kit from Australiese. I really like this one. So in the kit, I wanted to show you guys, I don't think I've shown you on camera. In the kit you get tweezers, a brush, you get a brown gel, a light brown shadow, which is not like an eyeshadow, it's like a brow shadow, a darker brown brow shadow, and then highlighter. But I think it's amazing that they give you all that in this, and it's not that expensive. I start off with the gel, so I'm going to be using just a small brow brush. I start off on the top of my brow and just kind of outline them a little bit. I don't go too above the brow. I usually just start the line on my actual, where my brow line starts. So I don't go fully on top of it or go on the skin. And I bring it out a little bit. I kind of will bring it down. So as you can see, I've just extended my brow line a little bit. And that's kind of just the outline that I'll do. Cute, cute. The gel's done. Now with a different brush, with like this brush is a little thicker than the other one. The other one was quite small and thin. I go in with the darker brown powder, and definitely have to tap it because there is a lot of excess. And I just go underneath where I've done the gel. Again, I'm not creating new lines on my skin. I'm just going over my brows. All I can really do is just fill them in and pray for the best. Okay, I'm gonna go over my brows with the light brown shade now because they can get a little dark. So same brush, I'm just going in with the light brown shade. Cool, so that's done. Next, do I do eyeshadow? I don't like wearing eyeshadow. This is the one I used in my last video, but I just bought it, so it's like my favorite right now. I'm gonna take this, just like a blending brush, and I'm gonna go in with Dusk. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm sorry guys. I'm not a good eyeshadow person. Look at this is not good. Okay, my friends want to get froze, so I'm just gonna reply to them. So guys. Alright Dusk, you're done for now. Okay, I'm gonna take this little guy. I'm gonna go in with, do I do amber? Would that go? Would amber go, guys? This is amber. Would amber go? I'm gonna take the color Cashmere. Alright, I'm just gonna go on my lid and just like sparkle it up, man. Just like do a bit of sparkles. Okay, I kind of like it. I'm not even gonna lie. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. Okay, I'm gonna take this guy. This brush. Hello?
Hello, is that Josephine?
Yes?
Hi, my name's...
Good, thanks. How are you?
Today, and see what their plans are for 2019.
Yeah, that'd be great. Thank you.
No worries. Well, good luck with the rest of your call.
Thanks so much.
Yeah.
Have a good day. Thank you.
Bye.
I'm gonna go with this like dark color. That's why I'm nervous. I'm just gonna go literally like the corner, I think, just like this. I full messed it up. So I'm just cleaning up my face or any like fallout that's happened with the brush I used for setting my under eyes. I should set my brows. So for that, the NYX mascara, the brow mascara. This is in the color Chocolate. I do like it. I think I said in my last video I like it, but it's a little light. I'd probably get the brunette color. Just gonna clean up my lashes a little bit because they can get a little wild. I'm gonna be using the Sephora bronzer I have in the color Medium. The reason I bought it was because of the packaging. Like, do you see how big it is? This is like, I love these kind of bronzers. And it has a huge mirror. And the color's really nice. Like, I really like the color. But the formula's okay. It has like a soap smell to it, which is a little strange. Just with this like tapered bronzing brush. You guys know how to put bronzer on, come on. Blush. So I'm using my Mecca blush brush. I love this guy. He's my fave. And I don't even need to tell you what blush I'm wearing. I don't need to tell you. Do I? I don't need to tell you because you guys know. You know what I'm using. It's Blush Baby by MAC. My favorite one. A light mauvey pink, and I do like to wear a lot of blush. Like, I really do. I love wearing blush. It's probably my favorite thing. Next, I'm going in with this little guy. I use this as my highlighter. This guy's from ELF. I'm going to be going in with my, probably can't even see it, but my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in the color That Glow. This one's old. I've had this guy for ages. I'm going in with Dipping in Gold, which is like the light kind of gold. And then I'm going to go in with Bubbly, which is like a pale rose gold. I like to go over my blush with this guy. It's called a brand called Red Earth, and they do like a lot of natural based makeup products. And just with this Morphe blush brush, which is a little bigger than the other guy, I'm just gonna some product. It's a super like shimmery mineralized blush. I just go over my blush with it, and it doesn't have a lot of product on it. Like, it doesn't show up a lot, but it just kind of gives you a nice like look. Let's finish off my eyes with this brush. I'm going to go in with Cashmere again and just go on my lids again. Just to sparkle them up a bit. Cool. And then just with what's ever left over on my brush, just go on the outer corners of my, under my eyes. Okay, so just with this brush and nothing on it, I just suck in my cheeks and just clean up underneath my bronzer. Now with my favorite lip pencil from Australese in the color Misbehave. I'm wearing this all the time. Like, I literally don't stop wearing it as a lipstick. Just gonna outline my lips and then fill them in. Okay, so this is the look. I'm done. I hope you guys liked it. I was just playing around with my makeup, especially my eyeshadow. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me do my makeup, doing it along with me, watching me get ready. It was actually really fun. I was in high spirits today. I had a lot of energy, so I was really excited to film this for you. Please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe if you're not already. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!